Hi, I'm Arun, and today we're going to talk about parental help to buy a dental practice. Now, if you're fortunate enough to be able to secure a large financial deposit from your parents, should you use this to buy a multi-million-pound dental practice? As someone who's been there and done that, it really pains me to hear what some people do to try and sell a business. Dentists are easy targets. They tend to earn well and they can typically borrow a lot of money. This makes them an easy target for sales agents to suggest buying a big practice for a huge price. Sometimes it's a good idea, but the idea of a young 25 to 30 something year old with limited experience buying a dental practice with a multi-million-pound loan really scares me. Just because it's easy to get the funding doesn't mean you should do this. Remember, the loan needs to be paid every month, and if you don't repay it, trouble can really begin very quickly. As an entrepreneur myself with many years of experience, I would strongly advocate taking the step and taking on some risk of buying or setting up a business. However, it really does irk me to hear of some companies trying to encourage dentists to buy dental practices at overinflated prices just to get the commission. Buying a practice is not a one-year affair. It's a long-term commitment financially and professionally. I strongly encourage you to talk to people who have experience and have some grey hair, who have seen most outcomes that can help you navigate the environment of getting onto the ladder of purchasing or setting up a dental practice. Our team at Samera will tell you straight what we think of any proposed purchase of yours. If we think it's a bit rich, we will tell you. Or if we think it fits your profile and will be a positive step for you and your career, we will do this too. Experience is everything in business and finance, and we have absolutely plenty of that in our team. If you have any questions with the topics discussed, don't hesitate to reach out to me or my team. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching our Samera video. Click our logo for more information on our services. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We upload new content every Tuesday and Friday.